What's up, YouTube? We're here on a Saturday working on our Fox body. We noticed that our Fox body had a little bit of a wobble in the steering column. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this steering column and show you how to fix that. But before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up. That's the like button. I appreciate everybody that does that. And hit the bell for notification. And, sub to the channel if you like Fox body content. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, so what I got going on here is an 87-89 steering column. And you can tell it's an 87-89 steering column because it doesn't have the airbag. 90-93 had an airbag, big square airbag here in the middle. And 90-93 did not have the tilt, this little tilt bar and the tilt jaw and all this mechanism inside. So anyways, it's just your basic 87-89 steering column. It's got the, the ignition, and it's got the tilt and the keys. It's got the horn and the cruise, what have you. Anyways, the problem we have is when this is mounted, this thing is all over the place. Look at that. It's kind of hard to show you right now because it's not mounted, but your wheel starts to wobble and shit inside of your car. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Actually, to be honest, all it is two screws. It's these two screws right here on this frame. And what you do is you pull these two screws out, and I've already pulled one out, and you Loctite them. Isn't it kind of funny how blue Loctite comes in a red container? That's the joke of the day. Anyways, put a little blue Loctite on it. Dab it to you, but you know what? I like to glue you. So there you have it. I'm gonna get it started. And you could do this with the column in the car. I just actually have it out really quick, because I wanted to show you guys, without putting my big fat face in the video. I would rather just show you right here. Throw a little dab, no big deal. Like I said, you can do this in the car. Basically, when you put it inside of your car, you're going to have to remove some of the plastic bezel. There's a clip here, and there's a ring. Okay, you have the screws that come through here. You just have to remove it. It's real easy. Nice screwdriver, and you don't have to torque the shit out of it putting it back in either. So once these have just came loose over time. Very simple, easy, quick fix. If your 87-89 column is wobbling, this is your problem. And it's literally a 10-minute fix. But get some You don't need Loctite, but get some Loctite anyways. Look at that. Don't move at all. Not one bit. Very nice. Very happy with that. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. That's the fix to that column. Now, there is bearings inside of the steering column that sometimes go bad, but I'm going to be honest with you, that doesn't really happen very often. And one more thing I wanted to show you about this steering column. When you're actually looking at an 87-89 or 90-93, when you're installing it or putting another one in, this is off-centered. Okay, see that? That's for a reason. Okay, if you happen to turn this around, because you can turn some of these around on the 90-93, if these come loose or for whatever reason, fix it. Because if it gets clocked wrong, then you go to put your steering column in and you're like, what the hell? It's backwards or sideways or crooked or whatever. So I'm just trying to save you some time later. But anyways, there you have it. That's the fix. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Give me some likes. Have a good day.